Welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. In this lesson, we'll learn the basics of trigonometry using SOH CAH TOA. Let's get started. Trigonometry works with right-angled triangles. There are three sides we need to identify: the hypotenuse, the opposite, and the adjacent. The hypotenuse is the longest side, and it is always opposite the right angle. The opposite side is opposite the angle theta, and the adjacent side is next to the angle theta. Now let's look at SOH CAH TOA. SOH means sine equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. CAH means cosine equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And TOA means tangent equals opposite divided by adjacent. We use these three ratios to help us find missing sides in right-angled triangles. Let's look at our first example. We need to find x. The angle is 30 degrees, the hypotenuse is 10 centimeters, and x is the opposite side. We have the opposite and the hypotenuse, so we use SOH. Sine 30 degrees equals x divided by 10. Rearranging the equation, x equals 10 times sine 30 degrees. Using a calculator, x equals 5 centimeters. Let's look at another example. We need to find x. The angle is 40 degrees, the adjacent side is 8 centimeters, and x is the hypotenuse. So, we use CAH. Cosine 40 degrees equals 8 divided by x. Rearranging the equation, x equals 8 divided by cosine 40 degrees. Using a calculator, x is approximately 10.44 centimeters. Now it's your turn. Find the value of x. The angle is 45 degrees, and the adjacent side is 6 centimeters. Pause the video and choose your answer. The correct answer is B, 6 centimeters. We use TOA because we know the adjacent side and we are finding the opposite side. Tangent 45 degrees equals x divided by 6. So x equals 6 times tangent 45 degrees, which equals 6 centimeters. Let's summarize what we've learned. First, label the sides of the right-angled triangle. Then, choose SOH, CAH, or TOA. Next, substitute the values into the formula. Finally, use your calculator to find the answer. Remember, SOH, CAH, TOA. Thanks for watching.